everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking to you about MVP Air Conditioning and Heating LLC. MVP is one of the leaders in the air conditioning and heating services market. Our primary mission is to continually exceed the expectations of our customers while improving our business through the delivery of advanced, innovative, quality products and industry-leading customer service. Our company philosophy is built on a solid foundation of three essential cornerstones of success. The first, customers. We will always provide the highest levels of professional, effective, and timely service possible, striving to exceed the expectations of our customers. The second, personnel. Our personnel are our most valuable resource. They provide the intelligence, drive, and conscience of our company. The third, products. Products must provide innovative, advanced, and affordable solutions for our customers. The performance, effectiveness, and reliability of our products determine our reputation in the markets we serve. Our pledge is simple. We promise to you, our customer, and your home or business with absolute care, professionalism, and expert knowledge. We will be about timely solutions to your problems and always offer options to fit your budget. Our family-owned and operated business is dedicated to creating connections with our customers and delivering personalized, high-quality air conditioning repair and installation services. We go above and beyond to ensure your total comfort and complete satisfaction. Please give us a call.